This program is not intended to replace professional legal advice or representation. If you have a legal concern, you are strongly encouraged to seek the advice of an attorney.
Hello everyone, I'm Yanique Otto, attorney at law in South Florida with the Otto Law Group. Thank you for joining us for this episode of Now You Know the Law. So you're about to buy car insurance. Your primary goal is to stay as low as possible in terms of cost, but you also want to make sure that you're adequately covered in case you have an accident. You know for sure that you want to get the bodily injury protection, so just in case you injure someone in an accident in which you are at fault, your car insurance will pay for their medical bills, lost wages, and so on. But the insurance agent is also asking you if you want to get something called uninsured motorist coverage. And you've never heard of that before, and you're wondering, what in the world is that? And is it really necessary for me to get it? Well, here's what you need to know. First of all, if you've watched any of my previous episodes, you will know that I rarely say a blanket yes or no to a question that I pose on Now You Know the Law. But this time I'm going to go out on a limb and say, yes, you want to get it. And here's why. Let's say that you're in a car accident and you're not at fault. Someone else has rear-ended you, and it's their responsibility to cover your injuries. But that person doesn't have car insurance, or maybe they have car insurance, but they don't have the type or the amount of coverage that will pay all or some of your medical bills. Yes, you could choose to go after that person, that driver personally as an individual to try to get money to pay for your damages, but good luck with that. If this happens to you and you need money to pay your medical bills and other related expenses, you will either be very happy that you got uninsured motorist coverage or really sorry that you didn't. You see, your policy will kick in and cover those medical bills and other related expenses above what your basic PIP coverage will pay whenever the person who injured you is either uninsured or underinsured. And this will be covered up to the limits of your policy. So here's the bottom line. My advice, bite the bullet and get the coverage. One day you'll be glad you did. Even if you already have auto insurance, go ahead and give your insurance company a call and confirm that you have uninsured motorist coverage. And if not, simply request a quote from them. You would be surprised that it won't cost you that much more than you're already paying. You may be tempted to save a few dollars by skipping coverage, but not having it could really come back to bite you in the rear end collision type of situation in the future. If you've ever been injured in a car accident, give our office a call and we can help you to protect your legal rights. 855-YES-AUTO. Thanks for joining us, and we'll see you next time. I'm Yanique Otto, and Now You Know the Law.
Now You Know the Law is brought to you by the Otto Law Group. If you have a legal question, give us a call. We'll either help you with the matter or put you in touch with someone who can. To have your questions answered in one of our episodes, you may submit them via our Facebook page at facebook.com/Otto Law Group. The Otto Law Group, providing legal solutions.